Greeting to all of us. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Dinda Ulfa Ramadhani from class 2021A with student ID number 21102054. Here, I am as the third speaker of the counter team who has the task of completing or summarizing that our team rejects or disagree with the arguments presented by pro team. The motion on this occasion is this house be on the side of the thesis education for final year student. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if the government team strengthens or support the impact will be first, let's make the basic perceptions and concept equal first. The national examination and the thesis are two different things. The goals are much different, and the cognitive level is also different. The national exam is an evaluation in the form of a national measurement with instruments that are made uniform and the same. Given the education infrastructure and human resource education is still not evenly distributed in all corners of the country. So, the evaluation instrument called the national examination will be good if it is a bolosite. Staying, we are looking for a measuring tool for evaluation that is the same as the national exam. Will the thesis intended for students in college? The purpose of higher education is not limited to education or cognitive, but also service and research. An instrument called a thesis is one of many possible studies that can be done by students. Even if you want to remove it, what are the new instruments for research at the university level? Okay, and the second, the impact that occurs when the thesis is delayed. In the eyes of the world, Indonesia will become a country with a high level of backwardness. There is a lack of reading culture, reluctant to write too. If the thesis is really delayed, it will reduce the quality of higher education. It's different if a choice in math. You can take a thesis or write a scientific article indexed by Sinta 2. That alternative can be an option. And the third, if the thesis is delayed, graduates will become less knowledgeable about research, such as problem identification, hypothesis testing, data collection, data analysis, and product development. The world of work far requires that process. It's not about how difficult it is to find a mentor, but the process for writing is much more important. And the last or fourth, if the thesis is delayed, there will be more students lying down. Just imagine semester 7 or semester 8. You have taken 130 to 140 credits. In the end, it will just be flat. There is no feeling of excitement when you are a student. Okay. Report on Compasiona.com, the Chancellor of Andalas University or UNAND, Professor Dr. Randus Haji Weridarta Taifur, Bachelor of Economics and Master of Religions, said that thesis is the difference between high school and college. This arises because the difference between high school and university is research and service, and this is part of the three dharma of higher education. If this is removed, then the spirit of the three dharma itself will also disappear. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all from me. Thank you for your nice attention.